If you are a YouTuber, then you already know how important a thumbnail is for getting views. Even if your content is amazing without an attractive thumbnail, people may not click on your video. A powerful thumbnail increases your click-through rate, CTR, and helps your video reach more viewers. That's why today I'm going to share 5 best websites where you can easily create professional YouTube thumbnails using AI and ready-made templates. Completely free. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last website is the most powerful one. First, let's talk about Canva, which is one of the most popular all-in-one design platforms. Canva offers thousands of ready-made YouTube thumbnail templates that you can easily customize by changing text, colors, and images. You can create thumbnails in 3 ways using Canva. First, you can simply choose a ready template and edit it. Second, you can design a thumbnail from scratch if you're creative. Third, you can use Canva's AI thumbnail generator by just typing a prompt, and the AI will automatically create a thumbnail for you. Because of its simple interface and powerful features, Canva is the best and easiest option, especially for beginners. Next is Adobe Express, a professional design tool by Adobe. With Adobe Express, you can create high-quality thumbnails using beautifully designed templates. You can easily edit text, replace images, and customize layouts according to your video style. The interface is clean, fast, and beginner-friendly, making it perfect for content creators who want professional results without complex editing skills. Now, let's move on to ChatGPT. Although ChatGPT cannot directly generate thumbnails, it is extremely powerful for creating high-quality thumbnail prompts and ideas. For example, if you want a thumbnail showing a shock boy with a bright background and bold text saying 5 secret websites in a clickbait style, you can ask ChatGPT to write a professional AI prompt for you. You can then use this prompt in tools like Canva AI, Copilot, or Midjourney to generate high-quality thumbnails. This method helps you create viral thumbnail ideas and improve your overall design quality. The 4th website is vidIQ, which is a popular YouTube growth and optimization tool. vidIQ also offers an AI thumbnail generator feature where you simply write a prompt, and its AI instantly generates a thumbnail for you. Since vidIQ is built especially for YouTubers, its thumbnails are designed to be highly clickable and optimized for better CTR, helping your videos get more views. Finally, the most powerful tool on this list is Microsoft Copilot. With Copilot, you can generate high-quality and realistic thumbnails by simply typing a basic prompt. The results are extremely professional and visually attractive. The best part is that Microsoft Copilot is completely free, making it one of the best options for AI-based thumbnail creation. So friends, these are the 5 best websites that can help you create professional YouTube thumbnails using AI and ready-made templates. If you found this information useful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Also, comment below and tell us which tool you're going to try first. See you in the next video. Until then, keep creating and stay creative.